one of the things with trades is sometimes you have fairly lucky timing, sometimes you don't. For example, if you're back trading this and you're testing a position, one of the things you got to realize when you get a down move and you say, oh, the position was okay, or oh, the position got killed, is you have to say, well, how close was it to an adjustment point, and did I get lucky in that case? Because, I may have been trading this position here, and everything you do sets off a series of events, right? Had I started this with 10 butterflies and one call, this may have been positive 50 delta. That may have caused a down adjustment, which would have led to the following day on Thursday, the down move not being as damaging as you're going to see the down move being this particular time, right? So that would be an example where I started off more positive delta, I got a down move, but I made out better because it changed my adjustment spots, right? So that's something to think about, right? Whereas if you thought, well, if I had just started more negative delta, I would have made out better, but that's not necessarily the case. And you have to play these scenarios out when you're backtesting.